In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a VVT sensor on a Subaru Impreza. Disconnect the connector on the VVT valve. There's going to be two 10mm bolts. Remove the bolts and pull the sensor straight out. You may have to give it a little wiggle. If you use a flat blade screwdriver to help you take this out, be very careful. You don't want to mar up the surface at all. It's an O-ring that holds this in, so it's breaking the tension between the corrosion and the O-ring. Wiggle it back and forth and pull it straight out and remove the sensor. Clean up this surface. As you do that, do not let any corrosion get into the motor. You can put a little rag there or something. Clean that whole surface off. With your surface clean, take a rag with a bit of parts cleaner and clean up the inner ring where the O-ring is going to sit. And then install the sensor. Push it straight on. And then install the bolts. Snug the bolts down, torque these bolts to 4.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. Give it a pull back, make sure it's locked on there.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.